Hello, and thank you for joining. Today, professional insurance programs will be focusing on something that's often overlooked but incredibly important: disability insurance for business owners, specifically overhead expense coverage. If you're a business owner, this coverage can help protect the future of your business if you become temporarily disabled. Here's what we'll cover today: what overhead expense disability insurance is, what expenses it covers, how the policy works and who qualifies, what the underwriting process looks like, optional riders you can add, additional coverage options for business owners, and finally, a few takeaways and next steps. As a business owner, you're the driving force behind your company's success. Your expertise, relationships, and daily involvement keep everything running smoothly. But what happens if an injury or illness takes you away from your business? Overhead expense disability insurance helps cover your fixed monthly business expenses while you focus on recovery, ensuring your business remains viable until you can return. Overhead expense disability insurance helps cover many of the fixed costs your business continues to incur, even if you can't work due to a disability. This includes property expenses such as rent or mortgage payments, property taxes, utilities like electricity, water, and internet, and maintenance or janitorial services. It also covers staff costs, including employee salaries, benefit packages, payroll taxes, and even the cost of hiring temporary staff replacements. Your financial obligations are included as well, things like interest on business loans, scheduled principal payments, depreciation, and equipment leases. Finally, it covers professional requirements such as business insurance premiums, professional dues, licensing fees, and legal or accounting services. These expenses don't stop when you do, and overhead expense coverage helps ensure they're taken care of while you focus on recovery. Overhead expense disability insurance is designed with flexibility and long-term protection in mind. The policy is non-cancelable and guaranteed renewable through age 65, and may continue beyond that if you're still working full-time and responsible for business expenses. It's available to a wide range of professionals depending on your occupation class and how your business is structured. You can select an elimination period, the waiting period before benefits begin, of 30, 60, or 90 days based on your needs. The policy uses a true own occupation definition of disability, meaning you'll receive benefits if you're unable to perform the duties of your specific job, even if you could work in another capacity. There are several benefit period options which allow for competitive maximum issue limits. And if your disability extends beyond the chosen benefit period, the policy may continue to pay benefits until your total benefit amount is reached. Additionally, there's a conversion option that lets you transition to an individual disability income policy, available up to age 55 if eligible. To make the policy more cost-effective, you may also qualify for discounts, including a 20% multi-client discount for 3 or more insured individuals and a 5% multi-policy discount when combining this coverage with individual disability insurance. All of these features help ensure your policy is tailored to fit your specific business needs. Before your overhead expense policy is issued, you'll go through an underwriting process to determine your eligibility and ensure the coverage is appropriate for your situation. This typically includes a detailed financial review, where you'll be asked to provide documentation such as income records and business tax returns. You'll also complete a health questionnaire, and in some cases, a medical exam may be required. This thorough process helps ensure your policy accurately reflects your income level, business structure, and overall risk profile, so you get the right protection for your business. Your overhead expense policy can be customized with optional riders that provide added flexibility and protection. The partial disability benefit rider pays a proportionate benefit if you're partially disabled, have at least a 15% drop in revenue, and are unable to perform all of your regular duties. The professional replacement rider helps cover the cost of hiring a temporary professional so your business can continue offering services during your absence. The additional overhead expense benefit rider gives you access to a pool of extra funds to handle fluctuating or unexpected business expenses while you're disabled. The future increase option rider allows you to increase your coverage over time as your business grows without the need for additional medical underwriting. And the business loan protection rider helps you keep up with loan payments during a period of disability and automatically ends once the loan is fully repaid. Together, these features allow you to build a policy that fits the way your business operates and adapts as your needs evolve. Overhead expense disability insurance is especially valuable for sole proprietors, partnerships, small corporations, closely held businesses, and professional groups structured as LLCs or LLPs. Any business where day-to-day operations rely heavily on one or two key individuals. The policy also comes with several key advantages. The waiver of premium feature means you don't have to pay premiums while you're disabled, and they'll even be waived for 6 months after you recover. With the waiver of elimination period, if you experience a recurring disability, the waiting period before benefits begin may be waived. The accelerated benefit option allows you to receive your full monthly benefit upfront before submitting documentation of your overhead expenses, giving you faster access to funds when you need them most. There's also a tax advantage. While the benefits you receive are taxable, the premiums you pay are usually tax-deductible as ordinary business expenses. And because the benefits are used to pay deductible costs, the tax impact is often minimized. While overhead expense coverage is a valuable part of protecting your business, it's just one piece of the puzzle. You may also want to consider business loan protection, which helps cover fixed-term business loans if you're unable to work due to a disability. Key person coverage provides financial support if a critical employee becomes disabled, someone whose absence would significantly impact your operations. And disability buyout insurance helps fund a buy-sell agreement, allowing ownership to transfer smoothly if a partner becomes disabled and needs to step away from the business. These policies work together to form a well-rounded strategy, helping ensure your business is protected from multiple angles. If you'd like help evaluating whether overhead expense coverage is right for your business, we're happy to walk you through your options. Reach out to Jake Rehm, our Vice President of Business Development. He's here to help. He can be reached at 414-477-2376 or by email jrehm@profinsprog.com. You can also visit our website, insuranceformembers.com. We hope this has given you a better understanding of how to protect the business you've worked so hard to build. If you have questions or want to explore your coverage options further, don't hesitate to get in touch. We're here to help you plan with confidence.